It's good to see you, mate. It's been a while since we had a chat. Hey? How are those mealworms? Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. After you've had 4.5 fish fingers. It's good to see you. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. We don't get many chats these days, do we? Hey? We don't. Sad. But today we did. Which is good. How are you? How are you? You've got lots of dark on your head now, haven't you? Yep. Good boy. Finish it up. Well, you've had enough food for the day, at least, I think. That'll sort you out. And I hope I'll see you again soon. Yeah? Hey? Stavros. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I'm going to have my lunch now. Okay? Good boy. Good to see you.